Beat cold and cough naturally. Got a cold or cough? Try these natural home remedies instead of running to the pharmacy. Mix honey and warm water. It calms your throat and stops coughing naturally. Sip lemon ginger tea for instant relief and a vitamin C boost. Drink turmeric milk at night. It fights infection and helps you sleep better. Inhale steam or gargle salt water to clear that stuffy nose fast. Stay hydrated with soups and teas. Your body heals faster when nourished. Stay healthy and breathe easy. Learn something good today? Drop a like, follow for more bites of positivity, and share the good vibes.